Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this green smoky eye. The first thing I always do is prime my eyelids, and then I'm going in with this newest palette from Morphe brushes, and I'm taking that vibrant green color. I'm going to use this as my transition shade, and I'm going to blend this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. I'm just going to blend this back and forth. Then for my next shade I'm taking this Key Rose Beauty palette, and I'm taking that green shade which kind of looks like a grass green color. I'm going to blend that in my crease as well, trying to keep it a little bit lower so you can still see that shade that I used from the Morphe palette. But I'm going to blend this all over my crease as well. Now I'm taking this black eyeliner from Maybelline, and I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid. I feel like whenever I do a smoky eye, it will never turn out as black as when I apply a base underneath it. So you can also go straight in with a black eyeshadow, but I feel like if I use gel eyeliner underneath it, it will get way more intensely blacker, and that's what I really go for whenever I do a smoky eye. I want it to be like as dark as possible. Then to blend out the edges, I'm taking this black shade from the Key Rose Beauty palette again. I'm just going to blend this all the way around the edges. Now I'm taking the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking this dark green color, and I'm going to blend that around the edges as well to kind of make it look more softer. And for this I'm using a Morphe M506 brush, which is a very tiny blending brush. Now for my eyeliner, I'm taking this liquid liner from theBalm Cosmetics, and I'm going to create a line above the lash line, and I also created a winged liner quickly off camera. Some of you might wonder, why are you doing this? I mean, your eyelid is already black, but I always do this no matter what because I am going in with fake eyelashes, and I feel like this kind of hides the lash band. So now I'm taking this Kohl pencil in the shade 01 from Inglot Cosmetics, applying this all over in the one line to make it even more black. Also softly tight lining my upper lashes because sometimes you can still see a little bit skin showing through, and I want this to be as black as possible. Then going back in with the Key Rose Beauty palette, taking that black eyeshadow, using a very tiny brush from Suiva Cosmetics, pressing the black eyeshadow right underneath the lower lash line. And then I went back in with that same Key Rose Beauty palette, taking that grass green color again, taking a Morphe M506 brush and blending this all the way underneath the lower lash line. Then now I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm using this lash curler from Tatti Cosmetics. Even though I am going to wear fake eyelashes, I always kind of curl them upwards. Then for my mascara, I use the theBalm Cosmetics MAD Lash Mascara. This is a really nice mascara for the upper lashes and the bottom lashes. And then I use these Tatti lashes in the style TL17, I believe. And applying these straight on top of my own natural lashes. I actually really loved using these lashes. They send me a bunch of their lashes in PR and I will definitely use them more often. So keep ahead for more videos where I will be using their fake eyelashes. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this green smoky eye tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This will be really helpful. I'm really excited for the month November and December. I can't wait to create a bunch of smoky eyes for the holidays. If any of you have like some special requests for colors that you want me to use, leave them down in the comments down below. This way I know what you guys want to see. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This will be really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!